A new gaming console just made its debut and it's from Stream Deck. So Stream Deck is a new gaming console that pretty much looks like Nintendo's new gaming console, the OLED that they released. This game console is quite nice. It's quite powerful. It's gonna be priced. It's gonna have different prices from this. It's gonna start from $400 and go all the way up to like 650, $700. But the cool thing here is the functionality of this game. It looks like a PSP from Sony back in the day. You can play your game without the need of a monitor. But if you want to use a monitor, you can connect this to a monitor. It looks quite cool. So let's go over some of the specs if you're really on the market to pick this up. Okay, so first of all, the GPU it's using is APU made by AMD, which I think a lot of people would appreciate. People that are actually big time gamers that need the horsepower, and at least they use AMD just to save some cost. They went with Nvidia. Most likely it might have gone up a bit in price. Stream Deck is very portable. It's good for your for your casual games. There's value in it. Uh, you can actually connect this to your television, to your monitor. It's running a Linux based OS in it, so it's very intuitive in its design. Like I said, the price range for each of them starts out for $400 for the 64 gig variant that hasn't the 64 GBs for the internal storage. If you want higher storage, you pay $530 for the 256 gig model. If you now want the top of the line, you pay $650 for your 512 GB model, which I think is the top of the line. There is also a micro SD card that the micro SD card slot that is included for you to expand the memory if you so much desire that expansion. The country that has the ability to purchase this out right out the gate right now is United States, Canada, and so many European countries, even UK can actually buy this as well. So honestly, I think this is a nice gaming console overall. Basically, it's not gonna replace your PS5, your Xbox Series X1, and all the more high-end gaming setups out there, but it's going to be something you can buy and pretty much game and have fun. The screen is not the best. It's running a 7-inch 720p resolution screen at 60 hertz. It's an LCD. It's not OLED. It's the at least the internal the CPU is not that powerful. So it's a 4-core 8-thread processor. Um, so it's not bad overall. I think most people would be fine with this. I'm not expecting this to be a game changer or something that would blow anyone away with crazy high performing specs and all that. But obviously, this is well made and should technically impress most gamers. So, look, if you want to buy this, you pretty much have to visit the stream the stream powered store. The store name is stores.streampowered.com. You can pretty much pre-order it from their site. You'll be able to pre-order it from their site, and you will get it delivered to your door when it starts shipping wherever it is you put as your address. So this is just it. You just visit their main website. That's where you can pre-order this and buy this. I do hope it actually comes to other to other major stores so that it makes it a little bit easier for people to buy if they need to buy it, obviously. So you can check it out if you're interested in this new unit from Stream. The name is Stream Deck Gaming Console. Actually, gaming, yeah, console setup. So do check them out if you're interested. I'll leave specs in the description if you want to check that out. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.